Okay, today we're going to unbox the Logitech Zone 305 headset. I've had this headset for a couple months now and just doing a catch-up video on the unboxing. All the instructions are pretty much there on the flap, so there's no real paper instructions inside. I think they give you a little warranty information inside, but all the operation instructions are there at the top. It's basically what they call a plug and play for all intents and purposes. You've got a USB-C on both sides. As you'll see later, I charged it with my Apple charger with the USB, and then they give you an adapter if you don't have a USB-C in your computer, so that you can, or if you just need to use a regular USB, you can plug the USB-C into that and it integrates over. So that's something helpful to have, and keep that just in case you have another device where you might use it. It's just helpful to have around. So far, I've liked the system a lot. I'm really happy to do this unboxing video because it's worked really, really well for me. So let's get the headset out. It comes in a little carry case, which is very nice of them. And these are just kind of warranty and general information in a couple languages. Opening up the bag, we'll see what's inside. Basically, the headset, we'll talk about that it's made of recycled plastic a little bit later. One of the first things I did was charge it up to make sure it's fully charged. You'll see the buttons on the side, up, down, volume button, USB-C, and basically that's the on button that you press. One touch and it turns off. Once you have it on, you have to hold it a little longer to get it off. And then the USB-C will plug right in there, and then you can plug it into your wall charger and get it all charged up for use. Now, as you can see, I'm using my Apple charger to charge it, the USB-C, but this is not really a blue. It looks like it's blinking blue while it's charging. It's really blinking a white light, but the camera's making it look blue, but it's clear white light. Turn on the headset. You'll see the light there gets solid, and the amber light there also gets solid. And you'll hear something in the earpiece that says dongle connected. And then when you turn it off, it'll tell you dongle disconnected, and the light goes out. And also the light goes out. It will also tell you your battery life percentage. So when you're using the volume up and volume down buttons with the headset, that shows on your computer screen, which is a nice feature. When you bring the little mic up, it tells you mute on, and you'll hear that in the ear. When you bring it down, it tells you mute off. And then if I press the button, I think the light will go off and I'm disconnected. Okay, so when you call somebody, you'll see it change to red, and then whenever they hang up, it'll ring in your headset. Whenever they hang up, you'll see it change back to the blue, so you know that you're off the call versus being on the call, which is a really nice feature. Okay, it weighs in at 122 grams, which is about 4.3 ounces, made of a recycled plastic, supposedly 55% recycled post-consumer plastic. This is pretty comfortable. I don't really even notice it on most days, so it's pretty comfortable. It's a very similar setup to the older headset with the wire from Logitech that I had previously. Now the range is really nice. They say it's 30 meters, which is like 98 feet. I live in a 3-floor townhome, and when I first started testing it out, I went from the top floor where I have my computer to the basement, which is 3 floors below. And these are pretty solid walls because the place was built like 100 years ago, and it seamlessly maintained the connection. So hopefully that helps you, and appreciate it if you like and subscribe.